Guys, today I will show you how to logo design just in one click in Illustrator. See, this my Illustrator. You just see this logo design. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, this is a Illustrator. This is very nice, easy software. So I'm just click here, create new, and wait. So I'm 500 plus 500 and create this window. Okay, wait, see, this is very slow. Okay, done this project, and I'm text double text here. So just click 100 and the size here. Okay, then this a, this is a big A done, and this is another Z. No, this is D. D. Okay, this is D. Okay, just this is a big and that is big. Okay, nice, and select this G and that is, and just this image. Wow, nice. AD, very nice logo design. Wait and see. Okay, done this logo design. I hope you okay guys, this video, sorry. So this is a expand and big, then change its color. Okay, color is here. So this type and send to back, and so then okay, nice, and this color is A. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. So this channel is subscribe here, and my this video as like that. Okay guys, and bye bye.